little big. Big, small, big, small. Opposite.
It's really funny.
Yes. No.
She's smiling, the little smiley girl.
I think she likes to hear you talking, Paige.
I think so too. Maybe it's the
Yellow,
pitch or something.
yellow,
The tenor of her voice is higher or something.
red, green, and blue.
Good job, Paige.
Why? No.
You know, Paige, you used to be this little. Do you know that?
Yeah. No. I'm
Did you get
getting
more
good.
stuff at IKEA or?
Just the shelving thing, but I think I'm past IKEA for a while.
Yeah, IKEA had to be dead to Dana and I for a while.
No.
It's just, I mean, it's amazing. They sit there and they cut deals with you. Like, let's make a deal. Like, they said to this guy, well, all right.